Today I'm going to be showing you how to take the pink cuttings, carnations. What you need to do is get the non-flowering shoots, like this one here, that one next to it. I'll get you, show you. Get your scissors, snip off like so. There we go. Let's have a look at these two. As you can see, nice and ready. Let's get some more of those. Right, here we go. We've got our cuttings here, as you can see. Next thing to do is just fill us pots up. I'm using a mixture multi-purpose peat-based compost with vermiculite. So once you've got your pots topped up like so, I like to water before I put the cuttings in. Get rid of any air bubbles. Once it's been watered, you'll see that will sink right down. So next thing we need to do, get the camera right, is just get these here like so. Just pull off the bottom leaves like so, and then just trim the top ones up, because you get a lot of water loss when they're trying to root. So just give them a snip across the top like so. So that one's ready. Just down the side. This should take about 4-5 weeks to quite striking to root properly. Take the side shoots off like so. Give the top a little trim. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Keeps me busy answering the questions. Gives me something to do. I'll show you that final one. So I just take the bottom leaves off. The good thing about these, I've tried growing them from seed, and they look brilliant on the packets, but they never seem to grow as well as the pictures suggest. At least this way. This is a white variety. Once you've bought one, you can get as many new plants as you want for free. So that's how to get carnation pinks cuttings. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please subscribe, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Cheers, bye.